Welcome to this tutorial on the Colocalization Analyzer in Huygens. This option is available for Huygens Essential and Professional. And in the Huygens Core, it is tailored toward high-throughput analysis. We start from the Professional main window. There are several ways of launching the Colocalization Analyzer, like right-clicking a thumbnail, or by going to the Analysis tab in the main menu bar. For now we first will have a look at the Colocalization Wizard. More information on the other Colocalization Analyzer modes will be showed at the end of this tutorial. In the Colocalization Analyzer Wizard, you are presented with a 2D histogram in the top left corner. It shows the red and green values for each pixel, providing a rough indication of the degree of overlap between the selected channels. With the Show Histogram per Color Channel button near the bottom right corner of the histogram, separate 1D histograms are generated for each channel. In the first stage of the wizard, time frames can be selected if needed. By checking the All checkbox next to the frame selection slider, the colocalization coefficients are set to be computed for all frames in the time series. Before you go to the next stage, make sure the right channels are selected. With this example image, I need to change to channel 1 and 2. In the next stage of the wizard, the background can be estimated with the threshold settings. What is a useful method for separating object voxels from uninteresting parts of the image? At default, there is no estimation method used. With the Gaussian minimum estimation method, the threshold setting is the minimum intensity value after applying a Gaussian filter on the image. It is also possible to choose the coasts method. This will make Huygens look for pixels where the Pearson coefficient equals 0. Along a regression line. The last optimized search method is an extension of the coasts method, but without the assumption that the ideal threshold combination lies on the regression line. If you want to set the background manually, you can drag the sliders in the 2D histogram to the desired position. For now we will not use the estimation method and continue to the last stage. The last stage of the wizard is the coefficient selection. You can select which coefficients to show after you compute. When you now press compute, the coefficients you selected will be calculated. For detailed information on these coefficients, press the I button. Now the computed results are shown in the coefficients table and it is possible to save them. With the Export Colocalization Map to Main button, it is possible to export the 3D MIP rendered image, with the coefficients from the table on top, that is shown above the button. It is also possible to start the wizard again. Besides the wizard, there is also an Advanced and Compact Colocalization Analyzer. The Advanced Analyzer provides a large overview of all the options. This reduces the number of times clicking back and forth between the different stages in the wizard, and gives an overview of all the settings. As you can see here, the last mode of the Colocalization Analyzer is the Compact mode. With the Compact Analyzer you have a tab window with the setup options. This allows the window to remain compact, while still having the same features as the Advanced mode. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.